In today's video I will be taking on the wood storage situation in my new workshop. There will be a big storage rack for full-size sheets of ply as well as a smaller rack to organize offcuts by length. The big rack is built to stand solidly by its own weight, because it can't be fixed to the wall. So we are using 10 by 10 cm beams and connecting them with big 160mm screws. After staining, I've built base out of screen printing plates to easily move the sheets of ply around in their compartments. This lower compartment will hold sheets of ply I use for current projects, so it's no problem if they are standing upright for a while, as they won't deform in such a short period of time. For long-term storage, the upper compartment makes it possible to store the sheets laying flat, so they won't deform over time. Last but not least, I've added a matching holder for longer beams and slats. Next up, I screw together a frame to create a rack for smaller offcuts. I added a board every 25 cm to make different sized compartments to sort the offcuts by length, going from 10 cm up to 160. For a solid stand, I secured it to the floor using some concrete anchor bolts. For a clean look, I covered the front in OSB and painted it in pigeon blue. Lastly, I added scrap wood blends to the compartments. Meanwhile, I finally covered the last section of the wall in OSB. In the next episode I will start to turn a part of my storage room into a bit of an office to do some editing, etc. See you then, cheers!